In this video, we're going to talk about the product rule, which is one of the 6 rules for working with exponents. The product rule is also the multiplying rule. It says when multiplying 2 powers that have the same base, that is key, you must add the exponents. This can only happen, or this does only happen, when you have the same base. We'll have some examples of that in a second. Examples of the power rule: x to the m times x to the n equals x to the m plus n, where you add the exponents there. 3 squared times 3 to the 4th is 3 to the 2 plus 4, where you add the exponents, gives us 3 to the 6th. Multiply 3 times itself 6 times, and when you do that using a calculator or just multiplying it out, you end up with 729. Let's do some examples, some practices, not examples. Let's do some practices on these 2 problems. 2 to the 4th times 2 cubed, and 6r to the 4th h to the 3rd times 5r squared h to the 5th. That second one's kind of involved, but I believe you can do it. Got faith in you. Turn on our ink so I can answer with you. So 2 to the 4th power times 2 to the 3rd power. This equals 2 to the 4th power plus the 3rd. 4 plus 3 gives us 2 to the 7th power. This is 2 7 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Oh my. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128 is our answer here. 2 to the 7th power. Okay, and 6r to the 4th h to the 3rd times 5r squared h to the 5th. Let's put our numbers together. We've got 6 times 5 here. We are going to put our r's together. R to the 4 plus 2, because we got r to the 4th times r squared. And this is multiplied times h to the 3 plus 5. Notice how I put together the ones that had the same base. And the coefficients also go together. So 6 times 5 gives us 30. R to the 4 plus 2 is r to the 6. And h to the 3 plus 5 is h to the 8. This is our answer here. Hopefully you got those correct also. So in our next video, we will talk about the quotient rule, which is our next rule. We'll see you there. If this video has been helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Also, visit us at 8minutemaths.com, where you can see our content and resources and courses, things that are available to you there. Lastly, follow us on Facebook at 8minutemathshelp.com. We look forward to seeing you there.